Alright guys, I want to simply show you how to append to a list in a PyCharm. So the first thing you do is you create an empty list called num list, followed by creating a for loop. So you simply say for num in range of 1 to 11. So the reason why we are putting 11 is because 11 is exclusive, so it's simply going to range from 1 to 10. Then you are going to append now, so you're going to say num list dot append. So append the number. Then what you do next is that you print out your num list. Then once you click on run, then you have a num list of numbers. Thanks for watching.